Melanie J. Vogel writes books for kids with big imaginations. Join Melanie as she brings characters to life, including Nerf Nerd, the sock puppet, Billy Beacorn, and the Booger Man, the Bread People and the Chocolate Animals in Lost in La La Land, all 18 poodles from Too Many Poodles, and Myrtle Hitchabacher, who learns to be herself in Elsewhereville. Tackle concepts like food waste in green pickle juice, and explore what it means to be a helper in one-of-a-kind hot air balloon adventure. And coming soon, meet Luna the Cat and Gerard the St. Bernard in You Can't Ride a Cat in July 2022. Melanie is available for book signings and school visits. Contact her at melaniejvogel@yahoo.com for more information.